right. So now I'm gonna get a view. Wow, that hill. That little hill there, guys. Wow. The Hyatt Regency there. Hotel. Yeah, the ponds are already frozen here. So hey guys, I guess the next mission here is to see if there is still any Polish community left in St. Louis, because like usually a city's food and stuff like that is defined by, you know, the people or mixture or fusion of cuisines. Hey guys, how's it going? Oh, you got a little bit of a pond there left. Don't complain. So yeah, usually cities a city's food is defined by its inhabitants or a fusion thereof. So I YouTubed a video, and there is still somewhat of a Polish community left here, but none of it has really contributed to the sort of foods of the city per se, because no Polish food is on that list. So basically guys, let's go look and peek into the Polish Heritage Center, see if it's even open for us, and if it is, let's poke our nose in and see where the Polish community has gone. Maybe they've sprawled out with the suburban sprawl. I need a little breather from a few of those hills. As you do. Yeah, so there's this place called the North End Quarter, which was historically a Polish neighborhood, and that's where sort of at least the Polish community center is, the Polish Heritage Center is. So we will figure out. Yeah, we'll just check it out. Explore. Yeah, I don't mind these stops today, guys, even though it's chilly, because it gives you, wow, there's There's a place right here I can smell already. Oh, I was wondering what it was, and this is called Sugar Fire Barbecue. So guys, gals, our hotel with the Wyndham is not too far away from here. And yeah guys, sorry, but I went kind of the cheapy route, well, the budget route, and I wanted to show you guys, you know, what 90 bucks will get you in old St. Louis. And there's a friendly lady who's selling some cookies or something out there. There's a bit of a road worky here. There we go. There's some people going for lunch. That's it. Look like office folk, office groups going out for lunch. Alright, so we got about another 10 minutes, guys. About another there's a bit of activity down there going on with a couple of guys looking like they were conspiring. But yeah, our hotel is somewhere out down here. I think it's only like 2-3 blocks north that way. Alright, so all I see here, guys, is nothing but hotels. This is Washington and 10th Street. Yeah, I think our hotel is down there somewhere. So yeah, if I'm right in saying, at the end of today's planned ride, we should be at somewhere at like 16 to 20 miles for the day. I'll do a proper ride calculation. You know, after each day, because the straight route, if you were gonna just straight route it to Chicago, was like probably like 317 or 320 miles or something to that effect. But then we're gonna be doing some, you know, daily sightseeing here, there. We're gonna stop at Lincoln, Illinois. We're gonna stop at the Illinois Brick Road. So yeah, daily we're gonna be putting on another 15 to 20